How to turn off night mode on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off night mode on Opera Mini. First thing I'm gonna do is go to Opera and then click this one and then settings, and now this one, personalization. Click on it and then go down, and here let's turn on night mode. And as you see now, night mode has been turned on, and now all you need to do, if you want to turn it off, just click here and click night mode and just click this one and close, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.